Nature Jadd here, coming to you from Schneider's Iris Garden, where the irises and peonies flow as far as the eyes can seize. This beautiful garden was planted in the year of our Lord and has grown here, flourishing in the sun, wind, and rain ever since. Now, legend has it that the Schneider's Iris Garden is haunted by an evil spirit that comes from a flower, and it's called a Gower. It's like a ghost flower. And if you say the words Schneider's pretzels 3 times, they get mad and it comes out and kills you. But I don't believe in such nonsense, so let's give it a shot. Schneider's pretzels. Schneider's pretzels. Schneider's pretzels. Ah! 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 Nature Jadd has died on a flower. These ones are very delicate. Sometimes you gotta spread it open to tickle the nectar.